Hi, I'm Jacob Jagger, and welcome back to this third installment of Suited for IoT. Brought to you by Onomondo, an IoT software company committed to connecting you to your devices. Although the term Web 2 was coined in 1999 by Darcy DiNucci, we would consider this the true era of Web 2.0 as having given rise in around about 2004. And it refers to websites that user-generated content, ease of use, participatory culture, and interpretability for end users was seen. In contrast to the Internet of content that came before it, which was characterized by consumption in a passive manner, the Internet of applications, which was facilitated by the development of smart IT platforms and services. Yet, more importantly still, it is characterized by applications with user engagement. This internet saw a veritable gold rush in terms of technological innovations and a rapid development in the rise of services and applications, and the rise of both e-commerce and e-productivity. Web 2.0 as a technology is still used today. It's a pervasive technology within our lives. It serves the majority of user-generated content and user-engaged content that we experience. Within the e-commerce sphere specifically, we saw this rise of the giants such as Amazon, eBay, and PayPal. We could consider the Internet of applications everything that is needed to use software applications, and these became relatively available specifically as services on the Internet. This includes the software itself, the tools that are used to develop that software, the platforms that are used to run these as well. You could think of Amazon AWS and Microsoft Azure, for example. Stay tuned for the next video where we will delve into the Internet of People, and stay suited for IoT.